Welcome to the Green Thumb Club. We're thrilled to help you embark on this gardening journey. Seed starting indoors. Have you ever given that a shot? Maybe it seems daunting, complex, or simply unreachable. However, the reality is, it's much simpler and gratifying than you might initially believe. It's a method that allows you to control the growing environment, providing your budding plants with the best start possible. This hobby is not only rewarding, but also therapeutic. But how do you start? What are the tricks of the trade? Well, we've got you covered. Here, we present you with 3 foolproof tips that'll make your indoor gardening venture a breeze. Firstly, the most critical step in this process is to choose the right seed. They're not all created equal, and not all seeds will flourish in an indoor environment. Do your research, check seed packets for information, or consult your local garden center. Opt for seeds that are known to thrive indoors. Tomatoes, peppers, and herbs like basil and oregano are excellent choices. This decision is crucial as it lays the foundation of your indoor gardening success. Secondly, the next step in your indoor gardening journey is to select and use a suitable seed starting mix. This is not an area where you want to cut corners. A high-quality seed starting mix is a must. It's light, fluffy, and well-draining, created specifically to provide seeds with the ideal conditions for germination. This mix will boost your chances of success, ensuring the seeds have the best possible start. Remember, a good beginning is half the battle won. Thirdly, perhaps one of the most critical elements of indoor seed starting: proper light. Your seeds need a good amount of light to germinate effectively. A sunny window is a great place to place your seed starting trays if you have one. If not, don't worry. A grow light can work wonders. These lights provide the full spectrum of light that plants need for photosynthesis. So, don't overlook the power of good lighting in your seed starting endeavors. Remember, patience is key in this gardening journey. Indoor gardening requires time, effort, and a dash of love. Your little green friends might take a while to sprout, but when they do, the joy is incomparable. The sight of the first green shoots emerging from the soil is an accomplishment that fills your heart with pride and excitement. It's an experience that communicates the magic and wonder of nature. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener trying something new, or a novice setting foot in this exciting world, these tips will guide you on your path. It's time to embrace your inner gardener. It's time to let your green thumb shine. It's time to experience the joy of watching life form from a tiny seed. So go on, embrace your inner gardener. Happy seed starting, folks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more updates on plants.